Yeah. So yeah, welcome to Certified Solutions Azure training. Uh, the first thing is, if you are new to cloud, what is cloud computing, and why do we use cloud? For example, you have Gmail. Okay, Gmail is provided by Google for free, right? It is not charging you any money. Okay, so that is software as a service. Similarly, let's say you're traveling to a XYZ destination and you need a car for one day. You're not going to buy a car, so you're going to rent a car, right? So you'll go in the morning and you are going to return it in the evening, right? So similarly, the services provided by the cloud provider are of three types. Infrastructure, that means hardware. It is for network administration, IT administration, and platform, it is made it for software developers. Okay, and then end user uses SaaS. For example, Gmail or Salesforce or Office 365 are all software as service. Platform as service is SQL database, Cosmos database, all software which is available for software developers in Azure. And infra is the hardware itself, that is the computer on premise. Let's say you have rack, network and all that. So that is the three types of service models. And the three types of deployment models are private, public and hybrid, the three deployment models. So just understand the difference between this. So that is the introduction of cloud. Okay, so when you go for AZ900 exam, these kind of questions they will ask you, and then they are going to ask you what are all the properties of cloud. Okay, what are the characteristics of cloud? It is highly scalable, it is agile, it is elastic, it is fault tolerance, it provides high availability and economy of scale. What it means is, if you want, as long as you need it, you are going to use it, right? So that is why it is called scalable, and how much ever you need it, you are going to use it, right? That's why it is called elastic. Okay, so your business needs a high volume of CPU and memory. Then you are going to, let's say you have a million users. Okay, let's say big customer, right? And millions of transactions per day. So you're going to go with Azure services, which supports millions of users. So you need, let's say, a server with 50, 60 CPUs, 64 CPUs. It's quite common nowadays. Okay, server with 64 CPUs, it's quite common. That to high-end, powerful CPUs and hard disks. So Azure is going to provide that. And if the same thing, if you buy in-house, it is going to cost you 10 times more. That is why it is called economies of scale. So the capital expenditure and operational expenditure, both the upfront cost and as you pay in installment, both are going to be much less when you go for cloud. Okay, in the certification point of view, in the training point of view, there are four concepts: compute, network, storage, and product analytics. Okay, so the whole exam is based on these topics only. So just remember, compute means VM, VNet, load balancer, all this 35%, more than 35% of the questions come from networking, because networking is the backbone of Azure. Networking is the backbone of cloud. Okay, without networking, nothing happens. Data doesn't flow, right? Data has to flow. So on top of the network only, you build all the other objects, resources and services. Okay, so they are synonymous. Okay, when you say object, resource, service, they are one, and all the things come into that. And then if you want, without authentication, authorization, you are not going to allow anybody to come inside. So that is called manage identities or active directory. So that is comes in the security, right? So this that is again the weightage of the questions in the AZ104. So this is the intro. Okay, and then certification path is, my training is based on 104. Like I said, the backbone of Azure is networking. On top of that, if you don't know network administration, you don't know how to configure CIDR notation, right? So you cannot build anything. You cannot make a NSG, you cannot make a public IP address interface card, you cannot configure anything. So once this is over, then we will go into this. So I have designed the course like this. Okay, I have studied at least 4 or 5 institutes outside, and I have decided the course myself, so that it will be easy for you to understand Azure in fast track. Okay. Uh, while I'm explaining this, I request Tahir and Manoj, who have joined, just WhatsApp me your information. So the course which I have designed, I told you there are 4 modules and AZ104. First 45 days, you can go and write the AZ104 certification. For that, you have to study or read at least 2 to 3 hours a day. And every day, 7 p.m. Indian Standard Time, we will have a session, and most of the sessions will be of repeat. Okay, if you miss any session, you will be able to see the recordings on my YouTube channel. Also, the documentation will be provided very neatly and cleanly. Okay, so the typical environment in network architecture looks like this, right? So it will have a dev, it will have a QA, and it will have a prod. It is also going to have on-premise. Let's say this is on-premise, right? Eventually, everything is going to move away into cloud. Okay, and then this is Azure on cloud. So people are going to come through the internet. They're going to go through the Active Directory firewall, access the front end subnet and back end subnet. All the VMs will be installed in this subnet, and then here, DevOps. DevOps is automatic deployment from dev to test, test to queue. As it gets approved. So these are the subnet. How CIDR notification, okay, is installed. And then these are all the objects which go in that network. For example, firewall, bastion, user-defined route, VPN and application gateway, load balancer, availability set. So all these things you will, each of the student, I want to personally make sure that you understand this concept. Unless you submit me your own project that you have completed everything, I won't be satisfied. So your satisfaction is my satisfaction. So that is 104 certification. These are all the, I have designed this course. So you will be going through all this administration of Active Directory, creating the basic resources. So you have to understand here the relationship. Okay, one subscription can have many tenants. Okay, because it's a multi-tenant environment, right? Microsoft charges the company on a subscription base, and you can have many Active Directories, and you can have many users in that Active Directory. Okay, that is for permission. For example, you have development, test, production, or you can have read only, read write. Okay, so all that you can grant. So the relationship between that. And then without a resource group, usually a resource group resides in one region. Okay, and there are many regions in one geography, right? So there's all the VNet, subnet, and all the resource services come under a resource group. So you can move resources between resource group. That is unit one. So as soon as you pay the fees is 5,000 rupees. You will be asked to get access to portal. Okay, and I will help you, and the study group will help you to get access to the portal. And once you get access to the portal, you will start working on this in a portal. And apart from portal, you will also use PowerShell, Cloud CLI, and ARM templates. So these are all the automation techniques. And if you see the certification path, right, after 104, you can go for 204 and then 400 and DP 200. This is it. If you do all these things, you are a guru and architect at the highest level. You can show 5 years of experience in Azure. Okay, so you have to study at least 3 to 6 months to go to that level. Okay, and working in the study group is going to help you a lot. So now, if you see, a lot of the topics are overlap. Okay, if you study some topics over here like SQL database, storage, it is there in 204, it is there in 104, it is there in 400, and it is also there in DP 200. If you see, this topic is there in all the 4 things. So you see what is the commonality and overlap which I'm talking about. And actually the architect is nothing but a developer plus administrator. Developer, he does all the front end UI, at the press of a button. Administrator knows what is happening in the back end, right? For example, in the UI, you go and say do this. Back end, what is happening? So creating a function, serverless compute, right? So now that is again how the IT industry has evolved. Previously they used to have mainframe computers which used to take 30 minutes, 45 minutes to reboot. But now serverless, in few milliseconds you can reboot a serverless Docker or a pod. So it is much faster. At a press of a button, you can avail any of these services. Okay. Otherwise, in on-premises, in yesterday time, it used to take 3 months, 6 months to get an express route or a gateway. Plus, you need to have a network administration. You used to have a database administrator, and you need to have a project manager. All these things, and you need to have Windows administrator. But now, a cloud architect is supposed to wear different hats. That's why he is paid so much. This is all the services which come to you and which a cloud administrator needs to know. Okay, you might not be an expert in all of them, but at least you should be an expert in one or two of these or three of these. Then that's it. So DevOps and 104 are highly paid and highly in demand right now. So that is the overview of the cloud. And then regarding my company, okay, I have this study group. It is not a training institute. It is a consulting study group. Okay, so we have expert trainers as well as beginners and freshers. So when I say expert trainers and what is the difference, right? So we have students and we have instructors. Okay, right now I am an instructor. We have few other instructors. They come up with different, like for example, Python and data science. I have an expert in that. I have an expert in architect level. Okay, and these people, they want to learn 104, and for people who are administrators, they want to learn developer. So we have all kind of combination, right? So I have this website called getcertifiedsolutions.com. We are basically doing Azure as a primary focus right now for the next 45 days, but we specialize in SAP also. So yeah, the initial training is free, but if you want access to my videos, certification dumps, live project, everyday study group, support, project support, you have any doubts, you should email me. I will be able to support you. So these are all the other modules. And then, as I said, you go to my website, you can register as a student, or you can also register as a trainer. Okay. After you complete the course, you can start training yourself. So you can use my website for that, right? So this, and then you can become a training partner. So that is, this is my website. And I also have a YouTube channel where I'll be uploading all my so this is my YouTube channel. So did you guys message me or on WhatsApp, just a private message, so I know who all attended today's session? Just in case you have any doubts, I can answer you. So this is my, and if you go to any of these topics, you have plenty of documentation here. Okay? But right now, this is the overview. Right now, you can also register as a student. Just register as a student, and then once you make the payment with Google Pay or PayPal, those are two options you have. I will send you access to videos. Okay, and the videos are here. So this is a sample 104 videos. So I will send you these videos, and they're very, very good. Okay, I've attended 4 or 5 institutes, and this is like very easy, and you can put a multi-speaker home theater system to your thing, and just listen to this, enjoy these videos, and take notes of whatever is there. So these are like videos like 40, 50, total 100 videos are there. Each duration is 10 minutes or so. And any doubts on these videos, you can always message me. You can always message. And if you want to become expert in any area, you can make your own presentation and share it with the group. Okay, because this is a study group, and we are creating a platform for to create leaders. So tomorrow you should become a team lead when you go for a cloud implementation, right? That's what we want to create leaders. So we want you to develop your communication skills, technical skills, presentation skills, documentation skills. That's very important. So when you go for any company, you create standard operating procedures. Okay, you prepare a statement of work. Prepare a project plan. You execute the design. First you create a design and you implement the design. Okay, and so we are doing from A to Z, from ground to high level to microscopic view, everything. And apart from these videos, I'm also going to provide you scripting. For example, these are the PowerShell scripts, which is like basic. If you want to be a good Azure architect or a developer, or even you need to have some knowledge of .NET and PowerShell. Okay, they are and we will make you expert in that. So this, for example, this script. Okay. No other institute or trainer is teaching this right now. Okay, and if you just execute the script, all the resources get created back to back. And I will make sure that you guys are able to execute one each command at a time first. Okay, of course you can execute everything, but you need to understand how this is working. So this is a sample script, and I have prepared this. It took me like 3 weeks to prepare this script. Okay, but I can also show you. I can teach you, how to cook. Not just eat, right? So I am going to teach you how to write scripts like this. So tomorrow, if the customer needs something, you can create your own script, right? So you can create your own product. You can create your own app function, API programming. Also 203, you can create your own user interface. So that is about the scripts and video, and then you have materials. See, I have prepared the question and answers here. Q and A's for your exam purpose, for your interview purpose. And we will discuss this, because after studying each of those topics which I discussed in my curriculum, which I prepared, we have to go through. What kind of questions come. Okay, so unless you read these questions, you are not ready for any certification or any. So then we have materials. This is like last month. What are all the activities we did? These are all, how many videos are there in each topic? What are all required? Links to other training providers. Right now, the leading training providers are Udemy, Wizlabs, Pluralsight. Okay, of course, docs. There are many other institutes, they are charging a huge amount of money, but this Udemy, Wizlabs, and Pluralsight, you get videos and see. But so you can attend my training, and you can practice all of these things, and you will be on a fast track. Within 45 days to 90 days, you will be done with all this. See how I have prepared. Then on top of this, I have also done PowerPoint presentations. So each of any document, any session or video recording I have done will have a PowerPoint presentation attached to it. So already I have showed you two presentations, right? This one, which is all the architecture, resources, Active Directory, CIDR notation. This is for session 2, session 1, right? So, and then this is one session which I have already uploaded on my YouTube channel. These are right now session 1, session 2, session 3, session 4. So I have uploaded these 4. I request you to see this, and subscribe to my channel, hit a like button. Eventually, I want you to also create videos and upload. Okay, but provided first you listen to this, practice the videos, get portal access, get a paid member, and get all this material which I have. And I have spent a lot of time and money to put this, collect this material, prepare this material, so that you don't have to spend that time or money, extra time and extra money. This is at least you will have a good foundation and platform to become a excellent cloud architect or professional. So, any questions? Tahir, any questions?
Sir, you have mentioned here about the scripting, right? And
Yes.
in the scripting, you have, I think, you just go through the while you scrolling. I have seen that network and AC card or VNet or a virtual machine. This all the scriptings also you can do, right? As you said. I mean, I don't know, but I'm asking you that. So,
See, this is a document I have, a basic script on how PowerShell task, create a VNet you can do with the portal, you can do using PowerShell. So this is a
so my
basic.
question, yeah, my question is here. So the same things we can do the scripting and GUI also, right? So
Correct.
what is the difference between in GUI when you do some any activity in the do the GUI and the scripting? That was my question.
Yeah, portal, once you get portal access, you can go and create the script which I showed you, right? You can just go copy paste this in the command prompt. So this is a portal access. Microsoft gives you $200 credit fee. You get the access, and then you can. This is a command prompt. See, I can go and create here. Click by this one by one, one by one. I can create all the steps which are there in the previous videos, and also I can go and execute using PowerShell or Cloud CLI. Cloud CLI is Bash. Okay. So all the easy commands are Cloud CLI. Okay. And PowerShell means it is. So now I say, see, these are all my scripts. So I say, create resources.ps1. Okay, and then what? Today is what? Saturday, right? So I'll say Saturday, and I hit enter, and then I'll say East US. That's the region where it's getting created. So all the things are happening in the background. Same thing if you do, you can also do with the ARM template. Okay, that has inbuilt error handling. Okay, so if first step failed, second step won't. See, now this script is going and creating my VNet, VM, subnet, firewall, load balancer. Everything is doing. All I did was enter the name and hit enter and give the name. So because
So that is, for my understanding, the portal is more faster than scripting, right? Because here you have to enter everything manually in the scripting,
no, no,
and
no.
there you
Portal is more time consuming than the script. And a good
right.
administrator always use script. Portal is a way for front end, okay. But both have, it is like automation means you don't have to go on the portal and give the name. See, now everything is automated, right? It is just running by itself. It is creating the VMs, it is creating the firewall, it is creating all authentication. It is installing IIS on my web server, installing SQL Server database on my backend server. It is giving all the permissions, ports, granting everything. It is doing everything by itself. So if I do this on development, I can migrate to production. I can migrate to UAT or quality assurance testing. So that is DevOps, and that is also Azure provides DevOps tools, and that is also covered in my training. So
Okay, okay.
if you use portal, it is going to take more time, but you have to first do the things in portal in order to understand how it works in ARM or Cloud CLI or PowerShell. Okay, so now see everything is done, and now let's see what are all the now. See, I have to see what are all the resources I have created, right? I have a script for that. So yes, if anybody is teaching PowerShell in the market, let me know because I don't know anybody is teaching. Okay, they are going to just tell you once you pay the fees, they are not even going to support you even script like this. Just show me one person who's teaching. There might be MCT, MVP. Nobody is teaching you the real-time knowledge. I have 20 years of industry experience and I'm teaching you this. But if you go to any institute, then after 2, 3 months, you will come back to me. So this is, I said you can write a script for listing all resources. And and then, so these are like, let's say right now I created Saturday resource group, right? So let's go and see what is there. So I'll go to Network Watcher. Okay, this is again a beautiful tool provided by Microsoft Azure. Um, this is a highly evolved product, and the old portal was not as good as this. This is highly this has been in the market for almost 10 years now. Okay? Azure 2000, yeah. So now it is a new product. It is highly evolved. It is capturing the AWS market, and very soon it is going to be the #1 cloud because it is easy to learn. So after you learn Azure, you can go to AWS because it is very easy to learn. Just it's so, the interface is so nicely developed. So this is network one. I just created Saturday resource group, right?
So I have one question.
Yes.
Can you hear me?
Yes, Manoj.
Yeah. So basically, I am from development background. I am having around 9 years of experience on .NET stack, and
Please
basically,
turn your video on.
Sorry, I'm not in presentable mode right now, but still I'll try.
Yeah, just say hi to the other group members. Rahul is already is a member for the study group, and he can also tell. Hi, Manoj. So
Yeah,
Rahul,
can you see me?
Yeah, I saw you. Hi. So yeah, tell me, you are from development background, so how can I help you?
Yeah. So now I'm trying to do some hands-on and trying to achieve something on Azure so that it will be helpful for my organization and even in my career. So I already completed Azure Fundamentals 900 exam.
Okay.
And like I got a pretty much understanding about how cloud works. And and as part of company initiative, I already started learning Terraform. So I created some basic resources using Terraform. So again, that is again a templating tool, and I think I need some kind of hands-on help and doubts, clarification, so that I can achieve my solution architect level very soon, within 2-3 months. Is it possible? Is it possible for that?
Definitely, that is why I designed this course, and that's why I'm working so hard, and so that you don't have to spend the same time I spent. And all, see, you have to trust your guru, right? If you don't trust, if you don't have faith in the God, why will you go to temple? Same way,
Yeah.
if you don't trust your guru, you are not going to see the results fast. So you have to go with a clean slate. So he can write everything for you. Okay. So if you have some doubts, you just put it aside, and I have designed this course. You one by one you practice this. Within 45 days you're done. Then you'll go for advanced level. And I have designed this course. So
Okay.
basically, you can put this project in your resume. You can put my name, give my number to the employer. I will talk to them, and I will tell them that yes, this candidate has done live project and he has knowledge of complete Azure. This is complete Azure. Okay?
Yeah.
So I am giving.
So what's the process? How I would be starting this and how much it will cost to me?
Yeah, the course fees is 5,000. As soon as you pay me 5,000, I'll send you videos and I'll add you to the registered user group where you will, every day 7 p.m. Indian time we will have a session. And I already have completed the basics. All these are already there on YouTube. Okay, but I will do it again for new joiners, and then we'll go to advanced topics. Okay, so and then you will also have platform to do your own research, demonstrate your skills. You know, you can also create a PowerPoint and a video. I'll show you how to upload your own video on YouTube. So you can do all these things. So this is so this is exactly how, you know, you have to go from point A to point Z. You have to go through ABCD. So this step by step, I will guide you on each of these steps. So yesterday night,
Okay.
3 a.m., there's a person called Samir. He's in the, he joined. He called me. I answered his question. He's, because of Corona, he's in Amsterdam or somewhere. So
Hmm.
you
Hey,
can even,
hey, hi, Vikram. Yes, I'm here. Sorry. Yes, in
so
fact, I
even
was
if,
about to ask it. Hi, yeah, hi.
yeah. So I had
I was about
difficulty
to ask another question.
getting my
Sorry.
sleep back. So, but what I'm saying is, you can send me a WhatsApp message. I will definitely answer. If you have any doubt, that's personalized training I'm giving. Okay. So at some point, uh, after 45 days, you will be at expert level. Okay. So you will start training. You will be ready at 90 days. You will become architect and you will start training other people. Okay. So yeah,
Uh,
just
Vikram, can I ask a question, please? Hi.
yes.
Yeah, hi. I mean, the training portal, in fact, we have already discussed. There's quick questions I have.
Yes.
This is a complete set of documents that you'll be providing as soon as we are done with the payments, and mostly it will cover an end-to-end kind of stuff that a person should know when he's saying Azure cloud professional. But the question that I have is whether we have a in-person trainer training like the one you said, like every day 7 p.m. IST, like Indian time, we have a class. So whether that is a mandatory class or only this video will be is a part of this course.
See, if you are just listen to videos, you will fall asleep. So okay. So even if you call Bill Gates and ask him to see, unless it's an interactive session, you know, you have to speak. You have to say, Vikram, I have done this VNet. What is this dump VNet? What is it? I did Bastion 1 month back. I forgot. You know, even if you do your own project, you tend to forget. So you have to submit your project. So you have to prepare. Now I have prepared this Azure Study August. So you know, Samir, Manoj, each one of you in the study group has to prepare Azure study by Samir or Manoj or Vijay and submit to me. It is like a PhD thesis, right? So you, unless you submit, you are not going to be subject matter expert. So you do your research, submit this. See how I have prepared this. This is, you know, you can write your own name here, right? So you can be proud that you have done your own project. Then tomorrow, you know, you don't have to depend on anyone when you go to client side. You can go and do all your services, resources, performance tuning, administration, high availability. You can configure everything for them, and then you can also develop function app, API, you know, data lake, data warehouse, and these are highly advanced things. The next 5 to 10 years, industry is going to be highly using this. There's no way out of it. So, see, guys, the people who have attended Manoj, Tahir, please WhatsApp me, okay? Because if you don't give me a number, I cannot follow up with you and answer your questions. I cannot send you material. And there are people who have in my group for last 1 week. They are getting all the material, but they are not becoming paid members. So I will highly encourage you to contact Rahul. Is a paid member. You can ask him how did he like my videos, how does he like my session. Okay, so obviously, you know, you have to develop the trust, and then only then you can do it this in fast track. Otherwise, it
Yeah.
will take you six months, it will take you 12 months, and you will still have doubts, and you can never lead. So you can never become a leader. So if you want to be a leader, you
Yeah.
join my group.
So I want to share something. Like I have been trying more than 3 months right now, but it goes with our own speed, and most of the time there are many material available on internet, but still we have a feeling like I still don't understand like what's the correct way to do particular thing. So I think that will help us to hasten the process of learning. Like, so is Rahul there?
Yes, yes.
Rahul, can you please share something about like you already started and how is this?
Yeah, the content is well means placed in a good manner, in a effective way. Actually, I am already in cloud company. We are a cloud ERP application provider. So I have a knowledge, not completely I can say, but I registered, I enrolled for certification, and the content is very good, which Vikram has prepared for us. And mostly I am doing a GUI based steps in my company environment, but I wanted to be prepared for PowerShell and template kind of stuff. So that's why I enrolled, and I like that the PowerShell, and Vikram is encouraging us that we must do the things in a automative way. That is
Yep.
that